Hi guys, what's up? Wagwan. So guys, I'm a cheerful, I'm a happy person. I am still cheerful and happy. But at this time, we have to just take a moment and reflect on life. We should always take a moment to reflect on life. I always tell you that, guys, because life is short. We don't know what the next second, the next hour, the next minute, the next day, the next month, the next year might bring, okay? Lots of people out there losing their lives, whether sickness, accident, disease, you never know. Some people just walk and just turn over just like that. So guys, I'm just telling you, celebrate life, appreciate life, appreciate the people around you. Be thankful to them. Tell them every day you love them. Tell your kids you love them. Your husband, your mom, your dad, your brothers and sisters, even your good friends. Tell them you love them and appreciate life. Appreciate everybody for everything they have done for you. I say that to say this. I am a God-fearing person. I believe in God. And I'm celebrating the life of Mr. Gordon Bush Stewart, all right? We have the same name. We're namesakes. My husband always tell me that. Now I come here just for a few minutes, just to say that we appreciate him, and my husband misses him dearly. He got the news saying that he had passed on, and he's taking it a little bit hard. Anyhow, guys, my husband also is his Bush Stewart, is his close protection person, okay? So he's taking it a little bit hard, okay, guys? That's all I can say. And he's hanging on in there. And yeah, this man, Mr. Bushwat, he was a great person to my husband. Very, very close. I remember nights, and every time my husband would go out with him, he would call me, I'm on the road with the boss, I'm on the road with the boss. He used to tell me good things about them. They laugh together. They talk. He misses him dearly. And to all his family, his sons, kids, all his kids, daughters, wife, extended family, on behalf of Weston and I, we send our condolences to the family and close friends of Mr. Stewart. Don't be sad at this time, but mourn and celebrate his life as well. The good times you guys have together. That's what I told my husband. Just celebrate the good times he had shared with him. The funny jokes, and the good opportunities too, guys. I'm not forgetting that. And he misses him dearly. And so on behalf of my husband and myself, I asked him if I should go live and just to say a little bit. So pray for him, guys, and pray mainly for his family, Mr. Stewart's family at this time. May his soul soar through the clouds and reach heaven, and that he may rest forever. So I'm an easily tear person, guys, when I get my photo. So guys, on this photo here, my husband and I, we got married at Sandals, Montego Bay, Jamaica, courtesy guys of Mr. Bush Stewart. And after we got married, my husband got his signature here. He says, so he signs Western, all that's good, Bush. And we appreciate his life. Just imagine what his family is going through. So guys, please give a little time to the family for them to mourn and celebrate his life. Okay guys, my husband, guys, for working with him to be in his close protection for many years, it's really hard for him. And my husband talks of wonderful things about this man, Mr. Stewart. He has an awesome heart, a heart of gold. He gives. He helped my husband too. My husband is alive today, guys, because of him. Yes, so many things can't be said. It's almost endless to be said. But today, guys, today my husband and I, we celebrate his life. And condolences to his family and close friends, all family members. And may he soar through the heavens. And he had lived a life well lived. Bye guys. Remember to pray. Stay together. Love each other because life is very short. Bye guys.